How to fix Snapchat not sending snaps on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Snapchat not sending snaps on Android phone. First open settings and now scroll down until you find here apps, and now click apps again, and here type Snapchat and click on it. And first thing you need to do here is to click storage and clear cache and then force stop. Now go back and try again, and if that doesn't fix your problem, just go back to Snapchat and then click storage and clear data and click OK. But after that you will need to log in again, and your problem will be fixed. And just restart your phone and try again, and see you in the next video.